I'm going to be showing you how you can install the Facebook app on your Android phone. Really straightforward and simple. Just go to the Play Store. Once you're on the Google Play Store, hit the search button there at the bottom center. Go to search apps and games, and then you just want to type in Facebook. And we don't want Facebook Lite, we want the regular Facebook app. So tap onto it. You'll see it there, and then you'll see a button there that says install. So for an example, if I just go into any sort of app right now, so let me type this, you'll see the install button look like that on Facebook. You want to tap on that install button, it'll install the Facebook app, and then you'll find it on your phone like there. Then you can open up Facebook. You'll need to log into your account, and then you can begin using Facebook. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.